Congratulations, you're on the brink of a new chapter. Job hunting can be tough, but guess what? Group discussions are your secret weapon.
They're your chance to shine, to show you're not just a resume, you're a thinker, a leader, a team player.
Companies use group discussions for a reason. They want to see how you think, how you handle pressure, how you work with others.
Think of it as a sneak peek into your potential. This is your moment. Are you ready to own it?
Preparation is key. You wouldn't take an exam without studying, right? Same goes for group discussions. Start by brushing up on current affairs. Read newspapers, magazines, and online articles.
Pay attention to diverse fields, technology, business, politics, social issues. The more you know, the more confident you'll feel.
Practice makes perfect. Gather your friends and simulate a group discussion. Choose a topic and get talking.
Remember, practice builds confidence, and confidence, that's what makes you stand out.
Group discussions come in different flavors. Knowing what to expect is half the battle. Let's break down the common types.
Fact-based topics. These revolve around real-world issues. Think unemployment, climate change, or the impact of technology. Your knowledge is your weapon here. Back up your points with facts, figures, and examples.
Opinion-based topics. This is where you share your perspective. Should social media be regulated? Is online education the future? There's no right or wrong answer, but you need to justify your stance.
Abstract topics. Get ready to think outside the box. These topics are open to interpretation. Imagine discussing the color blue or the concept of time. Be creative, think metaphorically, and connect the dots.
Controversial topics. These are the hot potatoes. Think about ethical dilemmas or sensitive social issues. The key is to stay respectful, objective, and present your views calmly and logically.
Case study-based topics. Here, you'll analyze a real-life scenario, maybe a business challenge or an ethical dilemma. Put on your analytical hat, dissect the information, and offer practical solutions.
Remember, each topic requires a different approach. Understand the game, play smart, and you'll conquer the GD maze.
Words matter. They have the power to inform, inspire, and influence. In a group discussion, your voice is your greatest asset. But it's not just about speaking. It's about speaking well. Spoken English skills, clear and grammatically correct English is crucial. Practice speaking clearly and concisely. Avoid using slang or jargon that others might not understand. Articulation skills. How you say it is as important as what you say. Articulate your thoughts clearly. Pronounce words accurately. Maintain a steady pace and volume. Remember, your voice is a powerful tool. Use it wisely and watch yourself shine. Beyond words, mastering non-verbal cues. Group discussions are about more than just words. Your body language speaks volumes. It can make you appear confident, engaged, and approachable.
Sitting posture. For men, sit upright, maintaining a relaxed yet attentive posture. Keep your shoulders relaxed and avoid slouching. For women, maintain an upright posture with your hands gracefully folded in your lap or resting on the table.
Hand gestures. Use hand gestures sparingly and naturally to emphasize your points. Avoid fidgeting or pointing fingers, as it can be perceived as aggressive.
Voice audibility and modulation. Project your voice so everyone can hear you clearly. Vary your tone and pitch to keep your audience engaged. A monotonous voice can be boring and disengaging.
Eye contact. Maintain appropriate eye contact with everyone in the group. Don't just focus on the moderator or one person. Engage with everyone visually.
Remember, your body language is a powerful communication tool. Use it to your advantage and leave a lasting impression.
Listen up. The art of active listening. In the heat of a group discussion, it's easy to get caught up in your own thoughts. But here's a secret weapon: active listening.
Active listening means truly hearing and understanding what others are saying. It's about paying attention not just to the words, but also to the tone and body language. Nod your head to show you're following along. Ask clarifying questions. Summarize what someone said to ensure you understood correctly.
Active listening shows respect for others' opinions, even if you disagree. It also helps you build on their ideas, leading to a more enriching discussion.
Remember, listening isn't passive. It's an active process that enhances communication and fosters collaboration.
Teamwork makes the dream work, leading and collaborating. Group discussions are a team sport. Yes, you want to stand out, but not at the expense of others.
Showcase your leadership skills by guiding the discussion, facilitating healthy debate, and encouraging quieter participants to contribute. Remember, leadership isn't about dominating the conversation. It's about empowering others to share their thoughts and ideas.
Be supportive, respectful, and value everyone's contributions. When you approach a group discussion with a collaborative mindset, everyone wins.
You create a positive and productive environment where everyone feels heard and respected.
Group discussions can be unpredictable. Sometimes you'll be thrown a curveball, a topic you know nothing about, or a question that stumps you. Don't panic.
This is your chance to shine by thinking on your feet. Creativity is about connecting the dots, drawing on your existing knowledge to come up with fresh perspectives.
Don't be afraid to think outside the box and offer unique insights. Remember, the ability to think critically and adapt to unexpected situations is a highly valued skill in any workplace.
Embrace the challenge and you'll impress everyone with your quick thinking and adaptability. In a group discussion, it's tempting to speak as much as possible, but here's the truth. Quality trumps quantity. It's not about how much you say, but what you say.
Focus on making a few well-structured points that add value to the discussion. Back up your claims with evidence, examples, or anecdotes. Avoid rambling or repeating what others have already said. Remember, each time you speak, make it count. Contribute meaningfully to the conversation and you'll leave a lasting impression.
First impressions matter. Starting the discussion confidently can give you an edge. But don't worry if you don't get the first word in. There are other ways to shine.
Initiating the discussion. If you have a strong opening statement or a relevant fact, go for it. But avoid generic introductions. Jump right into the heart of the matter. Concluding the discussion. Summarizing the key points and offering a concise conclusion demonstrates strong analytical and synthesis skills. It shows you've been actively listening and can synthesize information effectively. Remember, a strong start can set the tone, but a powerful finish leaves a lasting impact.
Group discussions can get chaotic. People might interrupt, talk over each other, or go off on tangents. It's easy to get flustered, but don't let the chaos throw you off your game.
Take a deep breath and stay focused. If the discussion becomes unruly, politely steer it back on track. You can say something like, "That's an interesting point, but let's come back to the main topic." Remember, maintaining your composure in challenging situations demonstrates maturity and professionalism.
Congratulations, you're now armed with the knowledge and strategies to conquer any group discussion. Remember,
Preparation is key. Stay informed about current affairs and practice your communication skills. Understand the game, recognize different GD topics, and tailor your approach accordingly. Words matter. Speak clearly, concisely, and use proper grammar. Actions speak louder. Master your body language, posture, eye contact, and gestures. Listen up. Be an active listener. Engage with others' ideas and build upon them. Teamwork wins. Be a leader and a collaborator. Encourage participation and value everyone's input. Embrace the unexpected. Think on your feet, be creative, and adapt to changing dynamics. Quality over quantity. Make every word count. Offer well-structured points and avoid rambling. Start strong, finish stronger. Make a memorable first impression and conclude with a powerful summary. Stay calm in the storm. Don't let chaos derail you. Maintain your composure and steer the discussion back on course.
believe in yourself, trust your preparation, and go make a lasting impression. You've got this. See you in the class for further discussions.